During all the Oscar Piastri drama, the folks at Aston Martin are probably sitting and watching it unfold. It sort of reminds me of the meme, Disaster Girl. Well, because it was their decision to sign Alonso that started this whole turn of events. Now the question is, why did they sign Alonso? Well, the short answer is he's fast and he's experienced. But if that was the case, then this would have been a YouTube short and not a normal video. But we have to understand, what does Aston Martin expect from him? And more importantly, what does Stroll want? The Stroll I'm talking about isn't Lance Stroll, it's his father, Lawrence Stroll. Well, he's a Canadian billionaire, and according to Forbes, his net worth is worth $3 billion. Lawrence Stroll masterminded Michael Coe's highly successful IPO in 2011, and a bulk of his fortune has come from selling these shares. In 2018, he bought out the then cash-strapped Force India. Later on in 2020, he led a group of investors to make a $235 million investment in Aston Martin, and Stroll became the executive chairman of the car company. And a part of the deal was that Racing Point of Force India, the Formula One team, would become Aston Martin Racing, marking the brand's return to Formula One after 60 years. Now, when the Formula One team rebranded to Aston Martin, things changed. The Aston Martin name is a prestigious one, and one of their very first steps was to hire a four-time world champion Sebastian Vettel to be their driver. Since Aston Martin would be starting as a team down the order, they knew that they would need time to produce a winning car. But they also knew that they would need funding, and that's when the driver comes in. Having a world champion drive your car for a season says a lot about your team. Not every team has a Formula One world champion driving their car. A champion is a proven race winner. They've done it consistently for over a season, and they have what it takes to extract all the pace out of the car. And that, my friends, is reassuring to investors and sponsors. They know that the team means business and they aren't just taking part in Formula One for the money. Yes, there's a ton of money involved, don't get me wrong, like the American IT firm Cognizant. They are reportedly paying around $20 to $35 million a year to be the main sponsor of the team. And that's why when Vettel announced his retirement, Lawrence Stroll wasted no time in filling up the seat. He's a businessman, and he knew that the longer the seat was vacant, the more the rumors would start, and that would affect the company and the sponsors. A very classic example of this is what is happening to Alpine. They're currently 4th in the World Championship, yet they have an empty seat and they are getting a ton of bad press because of this. So reflecting on the fact that Alonso signed for Aston Martin, team boss Mike Crack said that he is excited to work with Fernando next season, while also being aware that Alonso will demand a lot from the team. He just has that killer instinct. Signing Fernando is a clear statement of our intent at Aston Martin F1. We are not on the grid to make up the numbers, we are here to win. We are on a journey to be in the front of the grid, and Fernando's decision to join us on that journey, to have a driver of his caliber believe in the Aston Martin project, is a great compliment to our team and the work we are doing. He will demand a lot from us, but that is to be expected from a multiple world champion. Fernando will be a driving force as we climb together, and like everyone in the team, I cannot wait to work with him. So there you have it. The team needed a proven race winner, and they signed Fernando Alonso. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned as we uncover more Formula One stories right here on Fervent Motorsports.